When we think about colour in the garden, our minds naturally go to flowers or even foliage. But during the autumn, we get spectacular colour from berries, and they really do add some sense of personality into the garden. But before I begin, it would be great, please, if you could give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel for loads of other great videos. They are beautiful. Now take a look at here. This is a Skimmia. This one's called Temptation, and look at those berries. What marvellous colour. This almost, I suppose, peachy type of colour, backed onto this mass of emerald green foliage that stays green for all year round. And Skimmias are marvellous. There's another one here. This one's Reevesiana. Just look at how many berries are on this plant. Whenever you're getting berrying plants into the garden, the key thing is to remember that, not all of them are poisonous, but eaten in sufficient quantity, they can cause upset stomach. So always be very careful and read the label. Some berrying plants as well need a male variety to pollinate with the female to create the berries. So always ask at your garden centre as well. But there are so many different ones to choose from. Even if you look at fruiting trees, this is a Malus, otherwise known as a crab apple, and it has these spectacular fruits. This one here, quite aptly named, is called Gorgeous. But there are other ones. There's John Downie, which is a lovely greeny come reddy fruit. Golden Hornet, which is bright gold. So you get these mass, and they're very good pollinators for apples as well. Now, if you're looking for trees that produce berries, now this is a Cotoneaster. You'll see them throughout the country with their masses of berries. This is a lovely one here. You can't quite see it yet. It's called Hypericum pendulus, which means its branches weep down, and you get masses of berries from top to toe with this plant. And over here, these are Hypericums. Now this is a range that's marketed called Miracle, and there are different colours that go with it. There's a red, there's a white, and also this lovely pinky one as well. And you can see it follows the flowers. There's some of the Hypericum flowers, which then turn into berries. So you get foliage, flower, and the berries too, which is marvellous. But not all berries are just down to being white, red, and pink. You can get some blue ones too. Now this is the Vibernum tinus that's just finished flowering, and look at the mass of colours. They're almost, pewter type colour. It's quite haunting. It adds a different dimension into the garden, whether it's the fruits of a crab apple or massive varieties of different types of berrying plant. It adds something a little bit extra into the garden. A lot of colour, a lot of interest, and of course, a lot of food for the birds. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content like this. And remember to switch on the notifications to be notified of my latest videos. And check out also my newsletter. It's completely free, giving loads of great ideas and hints and tips on plants, growing your own, and wildlife and garden design too. Thanks for watching.